How to safely use autoclave? Before using, we first need to check if autoclave are in good condition. If the Teflon vessel is aged, if the cap of the Teflon vessel bulged too much, if the rupture disc broken, if the bell wheel spring gets rusty. If one of these happens, please replace it with a new one, otherwise it will break. After the checkup, look at if your experiment is within the condition of use. Pay attention to your temperature. The relationship between temperature and pressure in autoclave status associated with the physics law. At a constant volume, the pressure P is directly proportional to the temperature, and the filling degree should be staying 30 to 70% to be sure there is enough space to tolerate your pressure. If some gas is released from the reaction, please lower your filling degree. If you finished all the checkoff, let's start to load the autoclave, which should be done in the fume hood. I use the water here so the operation is in opening place. The bottom of the autoclave is flexible, so transfer autoclave to the base. Place the autoclave vessel, pour your chemical, to be sure no water or chemical between the Teflon vessel and the stainless steel. Cover it with cap, aluminum foil rupture disc, and the stainless steel cap. Lock it and tie it with the torque wrench to be sure the autoclave is closed well. When transfer the autoclave to the oven, keep in mind that the autoclave is standing inside of the oven. When the experiment is running, never open the oven and remind other people to stay away from it. Only take the autoclave out when the oven cools down. Then the detach procedure needs to be done in fume hood also, which reverses the order of the loading process.